Do you like my witch's hat? I wish I could tell you I crocheted it, but I didn't. I bought it. Also, I'm pretty sure it's knitted or it's some kind of technique of crocheting I've never seen before. Anyway, as you probably figured, I'm wearing this witch's hat. I got a little witch's outfit on because today we are doing Halloween crochet patterns. Specifically, Halloween plushies. You know I love to crochet plushies. I've also got my little witch's assistant here. She helps me with spells and potions and stuff. And today she wants to help me share some Halloween plushies with you. So, let us begin. I have 45 different Halloween plushies for you. I'm gonna have a picture of the plushie up here. I'm gonna have a number in the corner and the number will correspond to a link in the description where you can find out how to crochet the plushie. Now, every single one of these patterns is free, so get excited, get your crochet hook out, and let's get crocheting for Halloween. So number one is a pumpkin. Just a basic cute little pumpkin for you. You could use it as a plushie to hug, or you could use it as a house decoration to make your house more spooky. So that pumpkin is kind of palm size. If you want a big pumpkin, here is a crochet pattern for a very large pumpkin. So if you want some giant pumpkins around your house, if you want to create like a crocheted pumpkin patch in your backyard, here's all you need. So the pattern is this pumpkin doll. It's a pumpkin with a face. It's also got a snazzy bow tie and snazzy overalls. So it's a pretty cute little Halloween friend. Next I have another pumpkin doll, but oh my gosh, I was so excited when I saw this. It's a reversible pumpkin doll. So it's this gorgeous little girl in a pumpkin outfit and then you flip the pumpkin dress inside out and it becomes a pumpkin. It's so cool. I love reversible crochet patterns. Then continuing our pumpkin theme, we have a pumpkin bat. It's actually so cute. It looks like a real creature. Okay, maybe not. Maybe it looks more like a Pokemon. So if you like bats but you don't want a pumpkin bat, here is a bat. This is a very cute bat with very cute eyes. Now another spooky bat is this bat wind spinner. So maybe it's not strictly a plushie, but like that little top bit, you can squish it. That's a plushie, so it's in this video. What you do is you hang it outside. You can hang it on your doorstep for the trick-or-treaters, and then when the wind blows, it'll spin around. I'd never seen a crochet wind spinner before, so I thought that was really cool. Then I also found this ghost spinner. So same thing, just with a ghost instead of a bat. It'd be really cute to crochet both of them, and you could make like a little mobile for them and hang them outside your door. You could even put like bells on the end to make them kind of like wind chimes. Okay, so now we have another ghost, not a wind spinner ghost, just a ghost. This ghost is the cutest little ghost I've ever seen. I've made a few of these before. I'd show them to you, but I don't know where they went. But they're so cute with their little smiles and their little witch's hat. You could do the witch's hat all in purple and you could be matching with your ghost. Okay, pattern number 10 is some more ghosts. These ghosts have such funny expressions. I love their different colored cheeks. I love their bow ties and I really, really love their hats. So if you want to crochet those hats, I also have the pattern for those hats. So you can crochet your ghost and then you can crochet it some hats. You could also do these for any of your plushies. You don't just have to put it on the ghosts. You could put it on your bat. You could put it on your pumpkin. You could put it on any of the patterns I've got coming up. Now, if you like the hat idea, but you don't like those hats, I've got another hat for you. Technically not a plushie, but you know, it's an essential Halloween accessory for your plushie. So it's included in the video. This one has a wavy brim and a more pointy point. So you can have a little bit of variety in your witch's hats. Now, speaking of witches, we have a little witch doll. She is so adorable. I love her purple hair. I love the chibi look. I love the colors. The orange and the purple look really nice together. Orange and purple, I guess, is kind of just Halloween. I also have a second witch doll because both of these were so cute. I had to include both of them. This one also has purple hair. She has an orange dress. She has a purple witch's hat. And she just looks so pretty. Okay, I also have a third witch's pattern, but this is a wicked witch, okay? She's an evil witch. Although, is it really fair to call her evil? Have we not learnt from Wicked? Maybe she likes to be evil and that's why she's called evil. Either way, if you want to do a very wicked witch of the West, there you go. Now, if you're doing witches, what goes well with witches? Black cats. I found this cute little black cat pattern. I always find black yarn so hard to crochet with. Like, where are my stitches? But I think it'll be worth it to make this black cat. It would look perfect next to those witches. It also comes with the pattern of how to make the hat, so you have a third witch's hat. So all your plushies need to have witch's hats, okay? There's no excuses for them not to. Then we have what I like to call a funny shaped cat. I thought it was a funny shape. I also thought it was just a beautiful little Halloween plushie. Look how cute it is. It looks so squishy. That's the kind of thing that you could just make like 100 of and have them all over your house. Okay, the cats aren't done yet because look at these Halloween cats. They've got three different cat patterns here. We've got vampire cat, we've got skeleton cat, and we've got mummy cat. Cats in costumes, what more could you want? You could want a bunny in a Halloween costume. This is me as a bunny. She literally looks exactly like me, except she's wearing purple and black and I'm wearing purple and white. Same difference. She's amazing. I love her. Now, it's kind of impossible for me to have a crochet pattern video without some frogs. So here are some Halloween frogs. I've got pumpkin frog and zombie frog. I definitely need to make a pumpkin frog. Then I have another pumpkin friend. It's a pumpkin bear. It's a little bear inside a pumpkin. How adorable. How cute. He even has a little pumpkin hat on his head. Oh, that's so cute. He's like part of the pumpkin. Now, this is a similar one, except it's a mouse. It's a mouse. Got a pumpkin hat, got a pumpkin skirt, looking very stylish. I like how the tip of her nose and her ears are orange. That is a very cute design. So if you want a pumpkin mouse, there you go. But if you want a pumpkin house, oh my gosh, how cool is this pattern? It's a little pumpkin cottage. This is my number one thing I want to crochet off this list. It's just so adorable. It has a little door and windows. Your friends can go live in there. Okay, they can't actually live in there. It's not like a openable pumpkin house, but it can just be for the aesthetic of them sitting outside and it looks like they live there. 10 out of 10 crochet patterns. Okay, so the next few patterns I have are all candy patterns. So this is my vision. You live somewhere where there are lots of kids, they're all trick-or-treating, and instead of candy, you give them little crocheted candies. Will they be excited? Will they be disappointed that they didn't get a chocolate? I don't know, maybe you can give them a chocolate candy and a crochet candy. I just thought it was a cute idea, okay? I'm sure someone will appreciate it. But let's take a look at the candy patterns. Number one, your basic crochet candy. You can do it in any color, doesn't use much yarn, you can make them up really quickly, and then you can have a bunch to give out to people. Or you know, you could just give them out to your friends as like little Halloween presents. That's a cute idea. If you have a Halloween party, you can just pass them around. Also found these cute candies, these little candies with the little faces, and these ones have stripes on them, so you can do like a whole lot of different colors. Then we have eye candy. This one's a bit more spooky, a bit less cutesy. So if you're more of a spooky vibe, there's a good thing you can make. Then I have some cake pops. Now, I've never had a cake pop in my life. Is it just a cake on a stick? It's like a cake crossed with a lollipop. That's the vibe I'm getting. I've got pumpkin, zombie, and devil. And of course, we have to have some candy corn. Full on confession, I've never had candy corn. I don't even know what it is. I don't live in America. Do they even sell it here? Probably. I just know it as like a cute Halloween symbol. What does it actually taste like? Maybe I should try some and find out. My camera battery was getting a bit too into the spooky season and the battery decided to die. Where were we up to? Oh, this one. This one's so cool. This is candy corn ghosts. We've got zombie candy corn. We've got candy corn, and maybe like a fairy floss candy corn. Does candy corn come in different flavors? I need to research candy corn. Anyway, regardless of what they taste like, I thought these candy corn ghosts were so cute. Then I have candy corn mummies. It's just candy corns dressed up as mummies. I'm pretty sure Candace wants to go as a mummy for Halloween, just from seeing how great these candy corns look in their bandages. Now, if you want an actual mummy that's not just a candy corn wearing bandages, here we go. We have an actual mummy pattern for you. How to crochet the doll and all its bandages too. My assistant has returned. She doesn't seem to be very attentive, but she is present. Our next pattern is Frankenstein's monster. This is a really, really cute Frankenstein's monster. I suppose you could make it a little bit scarier by giving him a frown, but I like the one with the smile. Then I have a creepy clown pattern. Honestly, I don't think this clown is that creepy. I think it's pretty cute. But either way, it definitely fits our Halloween vibe. And we've got the scariest of the scaries, the Grim Reaper. I just thought that was a really cool crochet pattern. Number 35, I have a Day of the Dead skeleton. Now, it's actually called, I don't want to try and say that because I know I'll say it wrong, but the aesthetic of Day of the Dead, the flowers, the colors, the skeletons is just so pretty. Then I have another very colorful crochet pattern. We've got colorful monsters. These are so cute. So you can learn how to make a basic little monster, make it in lots of different colors, give it lots of different eyes, give it lots of different features to make them all different monsters. I want to make all of them. They're so cute. Next, I have a second monster pattern, which is these cute monsters with little horns. I like that they have a singular tooth. You could always add 2 teeth or 3 teeth or 4 teeth, as many teeth as you like. Okay, the third monster pattern is a 3-eyed monster pattern. He looks so stylish in his little top hat. I like the rainbow spikes he has out the back of his back too. Overall, just a very cute pattern. Okay, now I have to give you a strong disclaimer. If you do not like creatures with lots of legs, creatures specifically with 8 legs, the next 2 patterns are going to be those creatures. So here's the timestamp. If you want to skip and avoid the creatures with 8 legs, you can do that. Okay, so first of all, we have this spider, which is quite a scary one. It scared me when I first saw it, but then I was looking at like the pumpkin on the back. They've done like a little tapestry crochet thing on the back of the spider, and I was like, wow, that is very impressive. And you know, if you're into spiders, I think that's the pattern for you. It's the most spidery spider I've ever seen. But if you like some cute spiders, spiders. Here are some cute spiders, a lot simpler pattern, a lot quicker pattern, and they're kind of pretty adorable. Next pattern is called a skullicorn. It's a unicorn with a skull. I mean, technically all unicorns have skulls. I mean, I assume they do. I guess they're magical creatures. Maybe they don't. Anyway, this one has a skull on the outside of its face and looks very, very spooky. Next, I have just some plain skull. This is quite a good spooky decor idea if you just want some spooky decor. I feel like it would also make a really good stress ball. Moving on to Jack Skellington. Now, full disclosure, I've never seen The Nightmare Before Christmas. It looks too scary for me. I know it's a kid's film, but I went on a ride of The Nightmare Before Christmas at Disneyland and it freaked me out so much, I'm never seeing the movie. But if you like the movie, if you like the characters, this is a really good pattern. It is in another language, so English subtitles are the way to go, unless you speak another language, in which case you're very smart. Then we have the cute little dog. Okay, this is one reason that maybe I should watch The Nightmare Before Christmas. Zero is just so cute. I saw a Zero Squishmallow out and I was like, that is just so cute. Maybe I'll just get the Squishmallow and avoid watching the movie. Or I could get the Squishmallow and crochet one while watching the movie. There we go. That's what I'm doing on Halloween this year. Then we have what I believe to be is the villain from The Nightmare Before Christmas, if I'm wrong. He's a pretty spooky guy. He's a pretty spooky monster. He fits into the video. And yeah, he's the last pattern of the video. That is all our Halloween crochet patterns for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that there's something on the list that gets you inspired and excited to crochet for Halloween. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again very soon. Bye! Do you want to say bye too? I think she's just glad I'm done filming so we can go play. Bye! What are you doing? Look, you're twins.